Hey you guys, this is Andrew, Product Genius here at East Bay BMW, and today we are talking about phone pairing on iDrive 6.0 for Apple CarPlay and for iDrive, and kind of just the basics of how to get everything to work for you if you've been confused or having any trouble. So to start out with, we are going to go over to the communication menu. From there, we are going to select Manage Mobile Devices. And then from there, connect a new device, because that's what we're doing. We're going to go ahead and connect it as a telephone. We're pairing a telephone, so that's what we'll do. And you're going to look for BMW and the last 5 digits of your VIN number to show up in your Bluetooth menu in your settings menu in your phone. So you'll go Settings, Bluetooth, wait for that car to show up, your BMW. Go ahead and tap and select and hit Pair to begin the communication and pairing process. You're going to go ahead and make sure that you hit any messages on your phone that ask to allow the car access to your contacts for pairing. You're going to hit allow on those, and then in this particular case, since we have an Apple phone, it's going to ask if you want to use Apple CarPlay. If the car is equipped with CarPlay, we'll hit Use CarPlay on both devices, both the car and the phone, and then it will automatically complete the Bluetooth pairing for CarPlay. And there we go. We can see CarPlay working there, and it looks awesome. We will discuss CarPlay more in a later video. Some other things that we can do under the Manage Mobile Devices menu, of course, we can go to specific phones. In this particular case, we get the ability to toggle between Apple CarPlay and using BMW iDrive for phone connectivity. You can check a box to do contact upload for messaging, as well as deleting devices, things like that. Under the settings menu, you can go in here, you can uncheck certain options that you would maybe not want to use. For cars that have internet inside the car, you can activate your internet hotspot from there as well. But that is Bluetooth pairing in a nutshell. Hopefully that's a quick and easy walkthrough for you guys. Any other questions, definitely post in the comments, but otherwise we will go ahead and catch you in the next Genius how-to video.